In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach videos in Google Classroom. By the end, you'll know exactly how to post a video as classroom material so your students can watch it right inside your course. First, open Google Classroom and head to the home page. From there, select the class where you want to share the video. In the example, the class is labeled Sample, but you'll choose whichever class you're working with. Once you're in, go to the Classwork tab at the top. This is the space where assignments, materials, and topics are organized, which makes it the best place to add a video your students will return to. Next, click the Create button on the right and choose Material. Material is perfect when you're sharing resources that students need to view, not turn in. It won't create a graded submission, and it keeps your classwork section tidy. Add a clear title in the title field. Think short and descriptive like Week 3 lecture video or lab demo, then type a helpful description. You might include what students should look for, timestamps for key moments, or a quick reminder about due dates related to the content. The more context you give here, the fewer questions you'll get later. Now it's time to attach the video. Click Upload, then click Browse to select a file from your computer. Choose your video file and confirm. Larger files may take a while to upload and process, so let it finish before you move on. If you see a progress bar, wait until it completes. Tip: make sure your internet connection is stable and that your file name is clear so it's easy to identify later. If you run into size or processing delays, compressing the video or exporting at a slightly lower resolution can help. When the attachment shows up under your material, click Post. This publishes the material immediately to the class. If you're organizing by topic, make sure the correct topic is selected before posting so students can find it easily. To verify everything looks right, switch over to the Stream tab. You'll see a notification that your material has been posted. Click the material, for example, Reflection Paper, if that's the title you used, and open it. Confirm that the video thumbnail appears and that the video begins playing once processing is complete. If it says processing, just give it a little time and refresh. That's it. You've attached a video in Google Classroom as material complete with a title, description, and a clean place for students to access it anytime.